You know that overwhelming feeling when you're deep in trip planning, you've got 20 tabs open, a messy notebook, and no real travel planner to keep it all straight? But what if I told you the only thing you're missing is one single tool? This is the ultimate travel planning spreadsheet, and today I'm going to give it to you completely free. The link is in the description below. Stop trying to manage your travel itinerary in one doc, your travel budgeting in another doc, and your travel to-do checklist on a sticky note. This is the free Google Sheet travel template that organizes everything in one clean dashboard. First, the day-by-day calendar plan. This is your command center. You can build out your perfect travel itinerary spreadsheet, add confirmation numbers, and even capture all of your travel planner ideas and notes in one spot. It's the perfect trip organizer to hold your packing list, your idea capture, and we even put a place to paste in all of your travel documents and tickets so everything is right there and you even have a place to put your budget. And that brings us to one of the most important parts, the travel budget tracker. This section lets you pre-plan every single expense for your budget vacation planning. This is hands down the best travel spreadsheet you will find, keeping it simple but organized. But let's be honest, it's still a ton of manual work. You still have to find all the activities, calculate the travel times, and type everything into the travel itinerary planner yourself. But what if you didn't have to do any of that? What if an AI travel planner could help you and build your entire trip in 60 seconds? This is Yapki.com, and it's a free all-in-one AI travel planner that automates a lot of the process for you. Do you have open time slots on your travel itinerary calendar? Yapki's Fill with AI tool suggests amazing, highly rated activities and builds a logistically smart itinerary for you. It has a calendar view and an interactive map travel planner that minimizes travel time and a centralized travel document hub right on your phone. Do you enjoy the travel planning process and don't want to use AI? Then use Yapki as an easier to manipulate travel spreadsheet that has a lot more automation and value. So here's the plan. Click the link in the description below and you'll get the free travel planning spreadsheet. No email needed, nothing. You click the link, you go right to the spreadsheet. And there's also a link to Yapki, which is the free travel planner app. Or you can visit us at yapki.com. Happy travels and thanks for checking us out.